Hey guys, so today is a jackpot of a Dollar Tree haul. There's so much cute Easter stuff. I just couldn't help myself. I had to just get so much. I have all of these bags. It is just the cutest stuff they came out with, okay? Let's get started with, let's do bag number 1. And I just needed some yellow favor bags. That's all. And then we have they're called durables. They're like the surprise things. I don't know. I only got one because I just kind of wanted to see what they were because they were Disney. And I'm going to open them. Okay, so I don't know what that is. Oh my gosh. How cute. It's Flounder from The Little Mermaid. Oh, how precious. Oh, I thought it was like gonna be just the little people because you see on there it just has like the characters. Oh, that's cute. So they have Mickey and Friends, The Little Mermaid, Tangled, Lion King, and Frozen. Oh, oh. Cinderella, Finding Nemo, Aladdin, Toy Story, Lilo and Stitch, Beauty and the Beast. I had no idea there was that many. Y'all, go grab these. Put these in some Easter baskets. How adorable. Oh, and then I found a kitty in a pocket. I forgot about this one, guys. And it's kind of the same thing, but there's little cats under there, or in there. And I wanted to leave that one for my niece because she has a little cat. So it's going to be the same thing, just the little bitty cats in there. So I'm going to leave that one. And then speaking of cats, I grabbed her a little cat toy. I'm just going to send it to her. Next, I grabbed the the soap bottles, the bunny and the chick. They had them last year. I just didn't get my hands on them, so I just wanted them for like the bathrooms. And then in the book section, guys, they had they had a bunch of these actually. And I was looking around to make sure that these were correct because their inner case is a 4-pack. A 4-pack for $1.25, and they're Disney's. These would be great to grab even for like the toy drives for Christmas. Yes, I know it is a very far way, but if you can get things like this now or any time of the year that you can donate, that's good. Especially 4 Disney books. 4 Disney books for $1.25. I'm still blown away. Ariel, baby, Bo. So I might give these to my little cousin that's having a baby. So these, look how precious. It's just an Ariel version. Oh, the Aristocats. I love Marie. She's so pretty. She's such a lady. Yeah, how precious. And you could even use these for journaling, scrapbooking, junk journaling if you wanted to, things like that. Frozen also, and Toy Story. What a great deal for I'm still just $1.25. Blown away. That's so great, especially if you have younger kiddos and you like to read to them. Then, guys, I'm not kidding when I say run to get these, because not only are these at Home Goods for a lot more, but they look just so high end. Carrots at Dollar Tree, and they have a little twine that you can hang up as well. And these are not in the bonus section. And you can make a cute little carrot basket decor piece with these. And I just loved them. So the plaid, and then that orange, this one is so nice. It's like a orange burlappy top. It's so nice. and then this fabric pattern. I was shook, guys, like, what? I'm blown away, blown away. Okay, so then I also picked up these little, what are they called? Felt stickers. So I got the 4 of them. So they have the carrots, which are going to be great to craft with, junk journal with, scrapbook. If you make your kids like little Easter baskets, you can decorate it, or you can make like an Easter card with them. Just put them all over on a paper. Let the kiddos make Easter activities. And then you have the little bunny faces and bunny feet in this one. How cute. Then you have the colorful eggs. And then you have these little bunnies. These were adorable. Is that all the colors? I guess maybe this is all the colors I found. But they're felt sheets. And I think they have other colors. I think they have like an orange and something, but I just didn't find them at my store. I don't think. If I did, they're in a different bag somewhere else. But yeah, so I wanted the pink and the purple and the blue and dark blue and light blue just so I can journal with them and craft with them. And you just get little pieces. So one's plain and one has little polka dots on there. Yeah, they're just cute little sheets. You can cut little decor or little pieces out for your journal or craft, whatever you choose. Or again, with the children's Easter crafts, you can like combine them together for them. Just cute little ideas so you're not buying a bunch of felt sheets if you don't want to. This bag is so cute. Oh, there they is. So green and orange. I knew I had another one somewhere. I just couldn't see it. So green and orange. And then I came across the trim packs. Oh, these are so cute. So you have the purple one and it has like just the little balls. This one says Happy Easter. And then you have the, this one. I'm going to think of it at some point. All right, then you have the pink one that has the same thing on top, but it has the little plaid bunnies. So cute. They are so precious. Oh my gosh. And then the little ball things. What are those called too? Then this trim. I don't know. And then the orange one, which is carrot. So the top and bottom are all the same, but the middle's the difference. So this one's the carrots. And then this one's little chicks. You can see them better on this side, actually. How cute. These are going to be so great to scrapbook with or craft with. Okay, then I came across these, what are they called? Felt fabric gingham with bow bunnies. And I can only find 3. So I know there has to be another color out there. And whether it's yellow or orange or green, I don't know. Let me know. Let me know if y'all found the 4th one. But these are so cute. So you get the purple bunnies. I will say their ears are kind of weird just because they're like straight up. But I'm not a sewer, so I don't know how easy it would be to like make them go out. So don't listen to me. So you got purple, and then you got blue, and then you have the pink one. But yeah, that's so precious. And then I came across these little bunny decor pieces, but I like they have their little white tail, and it's like an extra little piece. So these are new this year too. So cute. And then I grabbed this garland. There was another one, I think, or 1 or 2 more, but I only grabbed these 2 for specific reasons to craft with. So this one is the black and white gingham. And I wanted these because I'm actually going to, because I don't use black and white gingham anywhere in my decor. So I'm going to recover them with scrapbook paper, like decoupage over them, and still use them that way. But if you do a farmhouse theme, you need to grab these because I was so impressed. There's so many. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little bunnies in this pack. 6. I am so impressed with what Dollar Tree has been doing lately. So this one has the bunnies and carrots. It's kind of hard to see because they are so spread out, but these are the carrots that you get on here. So they're that gingham, the orange gingham on there. And then you get a blue bunny, a carrot, a pink bunny, a carrot, and what color is this? A green bunny. How cute! Moving into our next bag. Y'all, these signs, I was flabbergasted by. Flabbergasted. I said it. Look at these cute bunnies. And they even have the little cotton felt tail. Now, I was looking at these because I love the shape of them because they're the tag. No, they get better. They get better. I was sitting there looking and I'm like, I moved one and I was like, oh, I gotta find these signs. They're on the back, which is sad if you want both, but just buy 2. So on the purple, you get bunny kisses, Easter wishes. The pink, you get did somebody say Easter? And on the blue, follow the bunny. He has chocolate. That's who I'm following for sure. Is that not stinking adorable? Okay, so then I grabbed this. They have 2 of these. They are not new, but I didn't get one last year, so I wanted to grab it. So they had this one, and they had one that has carrots on it, and they just look so high end as they are, but you can always decoupage or put something on this side for like a different holiday if you wanted to, and just kind of put it as a decor piece in your kitchen and style it that way. But I just thought this one was so cute, and I love the watercolored eggs on there. This one. Welcome to Cottontail Farms. I'm just blown away by this one. Seriously, no joke, shook. Not only are the beads great to have, I love that they're adding those in, but the bunny in that pink truck are so pretty. I absolutely love her. And this would be so cute on a wreath or just on your door. Like, it's just, this one's really beautiful. And they had a blue truck one, but I only grabbed this one. Then I grabbed the male and female bunny. And these are not new, I don't think. I think these were out last year, but I still love the size of them. And you can always put these in your yard. You can always put a stake on the, like glue a stake on the back and put it in your yard. You might want to put some kind of like a polyurethane or something on there so they don't like get gross outside. But these would still be really cute. And I'm actually going to put these in my little nook I have in my, what do they call it? Like a wine bar, or I don't know what it's called. But I'm going to put them in the corner for like to represent me and my fiance. I thought that would be cute. These looked so high-end and almost like a farmhouse decor. And I genuinely can't remember if these were out last year or not, but they are just so nice and so like classic. So if you don't like a lot of color in your decor, these are going to be a great piece to pick up. So you have this one. What does it say? Bunny Trail Farms Egg hunts daily, 25 cents a basket. A basket for eggs, 25 cents. I want Dollar Tree prices for eggs. I want it. I'll take them all. All right, and then you have Happy Easter Cottontails Farm Fresh Eggs. This one is really beautiful as well. And look, the little chick on there. I just thought they were just really pretty to me. Okay, then you have the eggs. How cute. And these would be cute in the middle of a wreath because it would just give it that shape. Or you could get the egg-shaped wreaths at wired wreath at Dollar Tree if you can find them, and put them in there and put like the mesh around it. That'd be really cute. But this one says, welcome friends. And not only that, but you can also, because this is a galvanized piece or metal piece, whatever they want to call it, you can pop it off. You just have to be really easy, and then you can use it that way. And then this one says Happy Easter. Guys, I'm just blown away from all of this. But look at these two signs. Look at these two signs. Are those not adorable? And I had to get both because they're the opposites of the pink and the blue. So you have the pink bike with the bunny that's in the blue, and then the eggs and the flower basket, and this one says Happy Easter and it dangles. How precious. And then you have the pink one, the pink, in the pink suit, what is it called, outfit, the blue bike, and then the pink down here. But look at the little babies. It's a family. It is the dad bunny, the mom, and the babies. I just thought it was precious. All right, my favorite signs, I think, are these, though. Seriously. Seriously. This one got these beautiful carrots, egg hunt, fresh product, open daily, but it's just so pretty. What is this? Is this one? Yeah. So the open daily and the carrot patch do have glitter on it, because I know not everybody likes the Dollar Tree glitter, but it's just enough that it's not obnoxious. And the watercolor carrots are absolutely gorgeous. And then this one, hands down favorite, hands down, because look at this. It has Easter egg farms, bunny treats sold here, but look at that bunny. So the bunny is so beautiful. It's hard to explain unless you see it in person, because it's a watercolored bunny, and I absolutely love watercolor stuff like that. So it's so just perfect. I don't know. Look at it. Tell me what you think about it, and if you have this sign, let me know. My next items, shook. Absolutely shook. I don't know if y'all have seen them yet, but if you remember Christmas, they came out with pillows. These are 100% better. 100% better. They are pink and blue plaid bunnies. So flippin' cute. And it took me everything not to get multiple. And they have the long zipper. Tell me that's not cute. And look, you could put a cotton ball and make a tail right there. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to glue a tail on because I can't sew. I am so shook by this. Like, what? Dollar Tree. Look at Dollar Tree snapping off with this stuff. They are doing so good. Oh, I am just blown away. All right, that is my fantastic Easter haul. So, tell me what's going to be on your list. What's your favorite item? I don't know. I have so many to choose. Like, it's really hard for me to choose from. Pillows, these, my crafting items because I love them. I don't know. I have so many. So y'all let me know what's your favorite if you could choose out of the bunch. And don't forget to like and subscribe so I can get out there more. So again, thank you guys so much. Bye.